Good morning, guys. So I'm making a video of what we're doing in class this week. And the reason why is because we're doing the same thing all week long. It's an exploration. So we're actually going on a field trip virtually. And I'm taking you on a field trip to Egypt virtually. So I wanted to make a video so I didn't have to repeat myself over and over again and make some of you very, very bored who get it the first time. And then some of you who struggle and need to hear it a few times, you can play this video as many times as you need. So what we're doing this week is called a Webquest. Go to Period 1 Google Classroom, click on Classwork, and here's the Webquest. So if you click on this Webquest, it is a Webquest of an Egyptian tomb. You need to make sure you're reading the directions. So as we explore this field trip, on this field trip, you are going to need to race each of the questions. So you click here to begin the exploration, and let me show you what happens. This is a Giza project at Harvard University, and this is where we're going. So this is the main room of Queen Meresank III's burial site. You can see all of these dots are little pieces of information. It tells you exactly what is happening. I want to show you one piece of information that you will need to understand. This is a YouTube video. It does not work, so please do not click that one, but all the other ones work just fine. This information will answer the questions to our Webquest. So it says start in the main room. We are currently in the main room. It asks you 4 questions. You're going to need to use all of these little pieces of information in order to answer those 4 questions. You are going to need to make sure that you answer each question using RACE. Remember, restate, answer, cite with evidence, and explain your evidence. Every single question. So after we finish these 4 questions and finding the information, it says before you leave this room, there's a video link that does not work. I showed it to you. I found it here. Here's the video. You're going to click this video, and it does work, and answer these 3 questions. Again, make sure you're using RACE. Now you're going to leave and go to the small hallway and down the stairs. I want to show you how this works. So in the Webquest, you see these white circles on the floor. You notice my cursor was hovering over the white circles with the blue rings, but now I want to show you what happens. When I go to the white circles on the floor, I can physically move around the room. I can look up at the ceiling. I can look over at the walls. Let me show you. All the way around. And I can even move from room to room. Here's another room that you can explore. Sometimes when my cursor moves, the white circle appears. So it'll slide me a little bit. And this is one of the side rooms. And then to get out of this room, if I'm stuck, I just look at the floor. I can go to that corner of the room, or I can come here to go out of the room. If you look in this burial site, there's an opening right here. Let me get over there using the little white circle and turn. This is a hallway, and this hallway will take me to a set of stairs with a whole bunch of extra information. How cool is that? Again, really good information of, really good information of exactly what explanations on all of the different parts of the burial site, also explanations on the excavation of the burial site and history about this family. Then there's a set of stairs. If you go down the stairs, there's an additional room, and I'm not going to show that to you on the video. You just follow these white circles to get down the stairs, and then you're going to answer these 2 questions downstairs. And then you're done. Super easy. Lots of exploration. It's super cool. Hopefully we'll use this to learn like some hands-on knowledge about those awesome pyramids that we learned about, and some of the rituals of the culture of ancient Egypt. If you have any questions, we're doing this in class, so you can ask me in class. You can always come to tutoring. I tutor on Wednesdays and Fridays. Make sure you get there right on time at 2:30, and I will see you in class.